mga sagabal. So, ito yung bare face ko without the makeup, without anything. And I'm gonna show you how I do set my face before I put on my foundation. Because napaka-importante that when we put on our foundation, that we have a clean base. One, you tone. Another thing is that you also put moisturizer. It can be any toner na hiyang sa'yo. It doesn't have to be a rose toner or Korean toner. Pero I would highly suggest huwag yung mga alcohol-based na toners para hindi mag-dry yung skin mo. After natin mag-toner, let's not forget to put on, I'm gonna put on moisturizing serum. After natin mag-toner and mag-moisturizer, you're gonna proceed to my Milani Make It Last. I like this because it's a 3-in-1 product. It's a setting, it's a primer, it's a corrector, and it's a setting spray. So, what more can you ask? You will let that simmer. Parang nagluluto lang, diba? I have no idea kung anong look ang gusto ko ma-achieve. Ang theme ng event for today is enchanted/fairy. Something like that. Okay, so we're back at nag-simmer down ng ating makeup spray by Milani. Umpisahan na natin ang ating base. We are going to use this Angel Veil. Ayan. I love this moisturizer. It feels so creamy and hindi siya heavy. Now let's start correcting our face. So now, ang ginagawa ko, I'm putting concealer before I put on the foundation. So, I'm making sure that the base is color corrected before I put on my foundation. Next, I'm going to use my Naturactor, and this is in the shade 141, using my Zoeva na spot liner, and I'm just gonna cover my pimple marks. So while that's baking, I'm now going to proceed to contouring. Now, some of you who are new with makeup or have not really explored yet with makeup, you're probably wondering what's the difference between highlighting and contouring. Highlighting is the process where you put on a shade that is 2 to 3 shades lighter than your skin sa areas na gusto mong i-bring out. Okay, you want to highlight it, you want to bring it out. So, for me, it's this part, yung sa cheekbone ko, and then this part, and then my chin, and then this part of my forehead. So, those are the parts that I want to highlight. Contouring naman are the parts that you want to hide. So, you want to make it smaller, you want to downplay yung features mo na yun. So, those are the parts that you're gonna need to contour. So, basically, highlighting and contouring works hand in hand to give your face a dimension or depth. Using my Anastasia Contour Light to Medium palette, I am going to use this one. I like this shade kasi it's a gray undertone. Seems well with my skin tone. So, as you notice, ang mga gusto kong i-contour na parts is yung forehead ko. Kasi malaki ang aking forehead. And then, right, to sculpt my face, this part and this one. Sa cheekbone. And just to draw out my jaw. It's very important, girls, that you blend your contour because you're never too sure kung ano itsura niya sa labas under the broad daylight. So, it's best to blend, blend, blend so that it would just be very subtle and natural. Alright, so naglagay ako ng contact lens. So, medyo naiyak ako. How many of you can relate? Anyway, so ngayon, mag-proceed na tayo sa eye makeup natin. Nakakaiyak talaga. So, I'm going to play around with these two palettes. Hopefully, I come up with something brilliant. I don't know kung ano talagang color ang gusto ko. But, you know, girls, diba? Whenever we do our makeup, we never really exactly achieve what we plan. So, ang gusto ko ma-achieve, this one. Kaya, I see gold, I see bronze, I see nude lip. I'm gonna use my Naturactor to prime my eyelid using my fingertip. This is just to secure na mag-set yung eye makeup and mas long-lasting siya. I'm just gonna pat my beauty blender. So, I'm gonna use my Anastasia Modern Renaissance. And I'm gonna use this antique bronze all over my lid.
I met you halo down. You gave me fever. No need to tell me all. Your eyes I always remember. I wrote you on and on. You never gave me an answer. Am I the only one? I didn't know it was over. Take care of you. Take care of you. I didn't know it was over. Take care of you. Take care of you.
So we're back. So this is it. This is my final look ng fairy makeup tutorial. But why don't we do a close-up? So there you go. This is it. This is the best that I can do. I hope may natutunan kayo and na-inspire kayo na mag-create ng ganitong look. Or in the future, kung meron kayong mga attend ng event na that is gonna require you to do an enchanted kind of makeup look or attire. And I hope I was able to be of help to you. And please don't forget to channel your positivity. If you like videos like this, please let me know by hitting the like button. It's gonna mean the world to me. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you all again in my next video. Bye.